y'all. So run on in here, okay? And I'm just so excited. Also, if you made it to this far in the video, I really appreciate you, and I have a coupon code for you. If you are interested in getting one, go ahead and get one. I'm going to put the coupon code in the description. I know y'all heard of TYMO. I actually reviewed a few TYMO products here on my channel before, but they actually reached out to me to see if I wanted to try out one of their blow dryers, and y'all, I'm so honored. So if you don't already know what TYMO is, like, girl, okay, so they have a lot of like hair tools, wonderful hair tools, okay, especially for those who like want to minimize the heat that they put on their hair. So if you've been watching my channel, you know I have like this straightening brush already. So this is what the straightening brush looks like. If you missed those videos, I will definitely link it. And then it has some hair in it, y'all, okay, don't worry. But I also have this blow drying brush from TYMO as well. Those I actually bought with my own coins, okay, because I am a true believer in TYMO. They actually reached out to your girl and was like, can we send you a blow dryer? And I was like, yeah. So I'm actually gonna unbox this blow dryer for you guys, and we're gonna kind of compare it to my Dyson blow dryer. I'm gonna let you guys know if I'm still loving it or not, so make sure you watch till the end of the video. Go ahead and get into this new blow dryer. What I got is the TYMO AirHype Lite, okay? So this is what it looks like. I am so excited. As y'all can see, my hair need to be done, so I'm gonna do that for y'all too. We got the instructions. This is what the blow dryer looks like. Like, it's so tiny. So inside of it came like the concentration nozzle. Let's kind of compare sizes. This is my Dyson, and then this is my new AirHype from TYMO. This one is smaller, really sleek too. I really like the sleekness of it. This is what the comb looks like. So this is the nozzle from the Dyson. So the nozzle from the Dyson is a lot bigger. I also got a diffuser attachment. So this is the diffuser attachment for the TYMO. And then this is the diffuser attachment for the Dyson. Pretty similar, like very much similar. Now the only thing that I think is really interesting that TYMO has that the Dyson does not have is there's this little like notch on the back, and when you like twirl the notch, these little things go up. So that's pretty much like, I guess, to get your scalp dry, because you know how you're like hanging your head over and, you know, trying to dry your hair, you can get up in there and get the scalp. So I think that's bomb. So that's what it looks like on there. This is the TYMO. So clearly y'all can see that I need to wash my hair, okay? So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna wash my hair, and then we are going to test these products out side by side. Like, I'm gonna do one half of my head with the Dyson, and I'm gonna do the other half with TYMO. Okay, so as you guys can see, I just washed my hair, and this is what your girl got, okay? You've got some curls still in the building, what? Okay. Go ahead and part the hair off. I think I'm going to do TYMO last because that's the new girl on the block, and I'm going to do the Dyson first because y'all are used to me using the Dyson, right? So if you've tried either one of these blow dryers, please let me know what you think down in the comments. I'm gonna start the timer now, and I'm gonna do both of these sections, and then I'm gonna stop the timer and come back and show y'all what it's looking like. We are doing this side of the head with the Dyson. Got the stopwatch, and I'm going to hit start.
I touched that 5 for you. I do that 3-4 times again. I testify for you. I told I like you, that I do it all, and I'm around. You're scared to do. I'm not. As long as you joking, now here for me. I ain't got it. Mobbing, scheming, looting, hide your body. As long as you dreaming about me, ain't no problem. I don't got nobody just for you right now. Tell the truth, I look better under you. I can't lie.
This side is fully dry. Let's give it a look. Can't see it well, but I also wanted to tell y'all that I had the Dyson on low heat but medium wind, I guess. Just because, like, you know, I'm a straight natural. I wear my hair straight for the most part, and I don't want to fry it, you know what I mean? Like, I don't want to kill my curls. I just like to wear my hair straight, you know what I mean? I stopped the timer earlier. We are at 6 minutes and 38 seconds. Okay, this looks good. So we have your girl plugged in. Let's give her a test drive before I start working on my hair, right? So the on button is back here. I'm guessing that's the on button. Okay. Ha ha ha. Baby girl was not plugged in, okay? Ooh. This thing is powerful, honey. When I pressed it, I felt like this thing almost shot up out of my hand. I'm gonna have the heat on low, and then I'm going to have the winds on medium, okay? And again, the time for the Dyson was 6 minutes and 38 seconds. Okay, so y'all ready? I'm ready. I'm so excited. Timer has started.
Your fragrance, hold up, you ain't never gotta say. And I know your taste is a little bit high maintenance. Everybody else basic, you live life on an everyday basis with poetic justice.
Yeah. Okay, so 6:38 was this side, and 4:49 was TYMO. So TYMO won as far as drying time. Let me show you guys my hair. So this is the front. This is the Dyson side. And then this is TYMO's side. Dyson is $429.99. The TYMO AirHype is $99.99. Way cheaper. But let's get into my hair, and then I'm gonna talk about the experience. So I do believe my hair is sleeker on this side, which happens to be the TYMO side. I don't know if you can tell, but I feel like this side is just giving, I guess, not as frizzy. Can y'all see the frizz? Can y'all tell? Cause I can kind of see, I can feel like this feels a lot more airy, and I can feel that my roots are still a lot more puffy. So I'm gonna definitely have to go back in and like do the flat concentrator nozzle. But this side, I don't know, this side is less frizz. Like, can you see the frizz? Can y'all tell? Am I tripping? I don't know. I think this side feels more sleek. So I might have to just go back in and like just kind of use this on this side. What do you guys think? One thing that I have started hating about the Dyson, you see this part right here where the Dyson snaps on, like this part right here, in between this and this, right? You see this part right here? My hair gets caught in that like ridge. So when you are blow drying your hair, like you have to be really careful, because if you're moving too fast, you can, your like strands can get caught on it, and if you're moving, you'll snap your hair off. And it's not like once in a while, it's every time I use it. For $429.99, why does my hair keep getting caught in the little snaggy thing? Like, I don't like that. So when I first looked at the TYMO, I looked for that because I was like, I know I don't like the design of how that is on here, but you know, it is what it is. But with the TYMO, because the way that it grabs the end of the dryer, it's not like your hair can get caught in between this ridge and this ridge. The end of the dryer and the end of this does not meet. The dryer goes inside of it. Okay, so my hair did not snag on the snapped place because the dryer goes inside of the comb. Does that make sense? I hope I'm making sense to y'all. It's really important. Sometimes you think because something costs more, it's better, but in this situation, I like this. I like this a lot. Hi friends, voiceover Nicole here. I decided that I wanted to do a silk press to finish off the look. So you see me here using the TYMO straightening comb. I actually have a full tutorial using it on my channel. I'll make sure I link it below, but I hope you guys enjoy the final look. So the hair is styled. This is what the hair is looking like after I used that TYMO straightening comb. Baby, I love that thing. Okay, so let's recap. Using the TYMO AirHype Lite, it cut down the drying time, so it's going to cut down the amount of heat that I use to my hair. So if you're one of the girlies that are scared of using heat and scared of straightening their hair, this is a great option because again, I had it on low heat, so minimum heat damage, you feel me? Okay, and y'all, I had to go back through on this side, the Dyson side with the actual TYMO AirHype, because this side was way less frizzier, y'all. Like when I really looked at it, I was like, oh man, like this side, which was the TYMO AirHype side, it was way less frizzier. So I kind of just went back through on this side just to make sure that, you know, it's gonna be uniform. So we loved the reduced frizz over here, okay? But I will say one of my favorite parts about the AirHype is just that I was just amazed at the speed. Like, did y'all see in the clip where I turned it on and I was talking about how like fast it was going? Like the speed was crazy. Like I literally was like, it was like a rocket about to like jump out of my hand. You know, we do all of this because we just want to protect our hair. Like those of you who are scared of heat, or those of you who are not scared of heat, like we really just want to protect our hair. Regardless of the fact that I wear my hair straight, like I don't want to kill my curls, you know what I mean? And excessive heat causes heat damage, causes your hair to break off. And as you can see, like I like length, okay? Like I like to keep my length. I like to, you know, do different things and stuff with my hair, but I also like to wear my hair straight and I want it to be healthy at the end of the day. So I really love the results. There's clearly a winner here, okay, and that's TYMO. I just really like, look how silky, you know, my hair is. And because I worked on reducing the frizz during the blow dry time, hopefully my hair will last a little bit longer. So yeah, I love it, you guys. Also, if you made it to this far in the video, I really appreciate you, and I have a coupon code for you. If you are interested in getting one, go ahead and get one. I'm going to put the coupon code in the description. But I hope you guys enjoyed the video. I love my hair so much. Like, TYMO, again, thank you so much. Look at your girl, okay? All right, that's all I got. Bye, guys.